So Blade Maid sent me this ceiling fan cleaner, and let me tell you, this is a game changer. Now inside the box, of course, we have our pole. And what I love about this is that it has this soft cushion here in case you are doing a lot of cleaning or a lot of dusting, and it is extendable. So the pole extends, I believe, 36 inches, and this fits any threaded pole. So if you needed to make it even higher and you wanted to get like a broom pole, then you could easily attach that as well. So this is our cleaning head, and what's really cool about it is once you hook it to the pole, you can literally just put the fan blades right through our cleaning head. That way all of the dust doesn't fall onto your table or your bed or any place other than inside here. And this, you can simply lock it or unlock it. So right now it's locked. If we go ahead and switch that to the unlocked position, now we can take it apart, and then you could use it like a typical ceiling fan cleaner would be. And this is great if you want to clean your baseboards or any corners of your ceiling. So that's nice as well. These are detachable, so you can just pull this right off. Attached by Velcro, you would just pull this right off, and you can hand wash these, or you can throw them in the washing machine, but you do want to let them air dry. Another cool thing that this came with is this very flexible duster, and you can use it all by itself, or you can unscrew the end cap and you could then screw it to your pole. So I am absolutely in love with this Blade Maid. It makes cleaning your ceiling fans and your corners and your baseboards super easy. And for someone like me who hates cleaning, the easier, the better. So definitely a great product to have.